Ever wondered what a plumber's job entails? Well, it's far more than just fixing leaky faucets and unclogging drains. Firstly, plumbers are the masters of water supply systems. They install and maintain the intricate network of pipes, fittings, valves, and fixtures that ensure water flows smoothly throughout a building. From connecting pipes to municipal water sources to installing water meters, they're the reason why you can turn on a tap and have water at just the right pressure. Secondly, they're the guardians of drainage systems. Designing, installing, and repairing these systems are all part of a day's work. This means installing everything from drain pipes and sewer lines to sinks, toilets, and showers. And when there's a clog, leak, or backup, you can bet a plumber is who you'll need. Some plumbers also work with gas systems. This is a specialized field, requiring extra training and certification due to safety concerns. These plumbers install gas pipes, fittings, regulators, and appliances like water heaters, stoves, and furnaces. Heating systems are another area where plumbers shine. They work with boilers, radiators, and even HVAC components. They install, repair, and maintain heating equipment to ensure everything runs efficiently and safely. When it comes to repairs and maintenance, plumbers are the first responders. They troubleshoot and repair plumbing issues, from leaks and burst pipes to malfunctioning water heaters and sewage backups. They also perform routine maintenance to prevent problems before they happen. New construction and renovation projects also call for a plumber's expertise. They work closely with architects, contractors, and engineers to design and install plumbing systems. Whether it's a new build or updating an old system, a plumber's role is crucial. Finally, plumbers are the unsung heroes of emergency services. They're available around the clock to handle urgent issues that need immediate attention. Major leaks, sewer backups, gas leaks, broken water heaters. When these emergencies happen, a plumber is who you'll be glad to see. So the next time you turn on a tap or flush a toilet, remember the skilled work of plumbers. They're the reason our homes have reliable water supply, efficient drainage, and safe plumbing infrastructure. Indeed, there's much more to a plumber's job than meets the eye.